Welcome to my channel, guys. If you want to share CapCut video to WhatsApp with your friends or on your status or anywhere, this video is for you. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, we are tapping on new project to add the video to CapCut. Now I am selecting the video and then tap on add option in the bottom right corner. Now the video has added to CapCut. You can edit it here, but I am directly exported. So for this, tap on the arrow icon on the upper right corner. Now the video is exporting, so we are waiting for some time. Now this video has exported, and you can see many options in the bottom like Instagram, Stories, YouTube, and WhatsApp. So you should tap on WhatsApp, and here you can share your video to your contacts, your friends, family, etc. And you can also add it to your status. Tap on status and then tap on the this go option in the bottom right corner. This will share this video to all your status. Your friends and your contacts will see this video. So that's the method. Hope you will like this video. Thanks.